Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to lower quality on Netflix. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Whenever you watch Netflix, you can adjust the video quality of what you're watching to match your desired. This can come handy if you want to control how much data you use or how much weight is put on your Wi-Fi network. Whatever the reason, have you have for wanting to control the Netflix video quality. In this video, I will show you. I will help you how to reduce or to lower the quality on your Netflix. It's very simple. First of all, to how to open our Netflix, you can log in into your mobile apps or on the website using your computer. After that, you can just go to settings, you can click on your profile, select on account. You can just scroll down, you can select on manage profiles. Sorry, you can go to account, select on account, you can scroll down, select on settings, and then now you can just scroll down, choose on playback settings. Here's data usage per screen. If you want to make it lower, you can select on low. So basic video and audio quality up to this is for medium and it's for height. If you want to make it low, you can just select on low and you can just save it. Select on save. It's very simple, right? So now you have lower your video quality on your Netflix account. So that is how to lower your quality on your Netflix. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!